All right, what I'm going to show you is how to add a green screen in iMovie. We're going to start off simple and just use a green JPEG picture as your green screen. What this is going to do is it's going to show you a little text overlay. It's all green except for the frame, so that way we can practice the rule of thirds and see if any of our projects actually use the rule of thirds. So your first step is going to be to collect all your project files and save them onto your computer. Remember to import video. You're going to go to import in movies. You might have to use a flash drive to get your projects from different computers and get them onto yours. I want to see at least one clip from each of your projects, so you should have at least 5 clips. You do not have to use the whole project. For example, you can just grab a section of it and drag it up. Alright, so you'll line up your 5 projects however you think you'll tentatively use them. You can always mix them around later. From our class website, you should also download the rule of thirds grid and save that inside of your folder. And I'll show you how to apply that now. When you have it saved on your computer, this should be pretty easy. You'll navigate to where you have it saved. And again, remember, pictures, you drag in pictures when you want to use them. Pictures and audio. Videos, you always do file import. You should see this green plus. When you do, you let go. And you get some advanced options here. We're going to select green screen. And it's going to be that simple. Your green screen should almost always go on top. Some of the things that this is going to apply is the Ken Burns effect. If we look at it, you can see it's kind of moving and wobbling around. So we're going to click on that blue wheel, and we want to take the Ken Burns off and make it fit. And then we select done. So now our grid stays in place and it doesn't move around. We can also adjust the time of this to match our clip. I can see that if I want it to go on for the entire 22 seconds, it'll go for the whole thing. We can move this around by clicking and dragging it if you wanted to. Some of the other things that will want to do here is add some text overlays. So again, we can click on this button. So you're just going to find one that you want. Again, at the beginning, I do want you guys to put a text in there that just says something along the lines of examples of the rule of thirds. And you're going to find one and put it up top. And we can see our text in the blue right up top, and give it a name that says that, identifies if this does follow the rule of thirds or if it doesn't, if it's a good example or a bad example. Alright, and so for each video you should have something of that sort. Now, the other thing that we want to do is mute our audio on each individual clip. You can do that simply by doing that. So again, I click on my blue wheel. If we were to let this play, you can hear that there's audio to it. We want to get rid of that, because what you're going to do is put in one smooth song that'll play throughout your video. So once you get a song, you can hear there's no more, you're not going to hear any more audio. So once you get a song, you're just going to drag it in here, and it's going to be at the bottom. And then you'll save this. You'll go to Share, Export using QuickTime, and you'll be all done.